Hi, this is Dalia at Impeccabilities powered by Kaizink. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to reprint stickers whenever you do receiving and they didn't print out. So you're going to go to Fulfill Engine, into Impeccabilities and Production. You're going to go ahead and go into Receive Purchase Order right here. And right here where it says to search for PO, you're going to go ahead and write the PO number that comes in the box. Make sure you put a dash in the PO. Once you hit search, it pulls up what that order is supposed to have. Here you can see that everything has already been received. That's why there's zeros. And on top, it gives you this little number in blue, which you're going to go ahead and click on it. Scroll down where you can see the total amount of garments. And there's going to be this hidden menu where it says download stickers. You're going to go ahead and hit that and it will pop up the stickers.